Hey YouTube, it's Naj, and today I'm going to be doing my everyday makeup routine. And basically it's just a no makeup look. I'm not huge into makeup. Literally everything that I use on my face fits into this little bag. Everything. Not skincare, but just makeup. And yeah. So I'm about to get into this video and show y'all, if you're a simple girl like me, you don't like to do too much fussing with your face, then this video is for you. Keep watching. So starting with a clean face and clean hands, I'm going to moisturize because my face is dry. Super dry. I use the Beauty Counter Match Adaptive Moisture Lotion to moisturize my skin every day. And sometimes I'll use almond oil, but I usually use almond oil at night. So after I apply that, I then apply my Laura Mercier foundation primer. I just apply a bunch of it around the side. Apply a small amount. I don't know if you can see that, but mainly to the area that I'm going to be putting my concealer, and then just smooth it out everywhere else. Now I'm going to move on to my eyebrows. I use this little, it looks like a mascara wand, but of course, like, it's clearly not an actual mascara wand, but I use it to brush out my eyebrows. Mind you, I do not get my eyebrows threaded or waxed. I stick to this good old eyebrow razor and I just clean it up and keep it moving. I probably do that about 2 times a month, if that, because sometimes I get lazy. So after I brush out my eyebrows, I use this. Y'all, it's real bootleg looking. It's in this little plastic thing, but it's the Laura Mercier Caviar eyeliner in black. I don't know if they still sell this or not, but I've had it for a while, and it's like a creamy consistency. So if that helps at all, I like to use something that's a creamy consistency to fill in my eyebrows. I know they have actual products catered to your eyebrows. You don't have to use eyeliner. So I take an angled brush, I put some of that caviar on my brush, and I outline the bottom of my my eyebrow. Outline the bottom. I just kind of take it and flick it upwards. I strictly stay to the shape of my eyebrow. I know some people they like to make theirs thicker, like overline their eyebrow, but I just really outline it. I outline the bottom, I fill it in, and then I kind of lightly outline the top. Then I'll take a Q-tip and I just clean around. And then I'm gonna move on to the next one. Okay, so next I take my concealer and I outline my eyebrows, and I use a different angle brush, and I use the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD High Definition Concealer in the color Fawn, and I use this for my whole face basically, but let's just stay focused on the brows, you know, the brow. Ooh, eyebrows on flick. Okay, sorry. I got too emotional about it. But dang. Do people even say eyebrows on fleek anymore? So now, I take that same concealer that I just used for my eyebrows and I apply it under my eye. And I extend it over to like my cheekbone area. I struggle with darkness under the eyes and redness in this area. I don't know what this area is called, but redness in this area, so as well as with my nose. So I basically blend out the concealer here, and then I take the excess and put it on my nose. When I go out into this winter weather, my nose turns red. So I don't look like Rudolph. I just conceal my nose so that you can't see the redness, and yeah, pretty much that's it. Yes, looking like I got a whole 9 hours of sleep. If you guys have any like suggestions on how to get rid of dark circles, let me know. Other than sleep, because clearly
I already know I need to work on that. But will that actually help? Like if I already have dark circles, will getting the proper amount of sleep from now on, will that help get rid of them, or is it like, is damage done? You know what I'm saying? Like, I need some tips and tricks on how to get rid of these dark circles. Other than concealer.
I just take the excess and wipe it across my lid, and voila, concealer is finished. So now I'm gonna move on to my translucent powder. So I use the La Mercier translucent powder. Good old faithful. It is a mess, so oh god, help. I use this fan brush to apply it. I take some of the powder onto the brush. Ooh, it's a lot of, oh gosh, it's all over my leg. And then I tap the excess off into the cap. And I apply, and I apply that under my eye, right where I applied the concealer. And that just makes it blend into the skin better, so I don't look shiny. Because once you apply the concealer, it kind of has like the shininess to it. Unless you like the dewy look, you can leave it that way. But I like to just mattify it and take away that shine. Ooh, I'm a little hungry. So next, we gotta glow. So you know, we gotta glow. We gotta use highlighter. I wish I would have rhymed, but it didn't. I am going to use the Maybelline New York Master Chrome by Face Studio metallic highlighter in the color Molten Rose Gold. Ooh, it's hard to open. So I'm just gonna take some of that and put it on my cheekbones. Ooh, what is that? And blend. I feel like the key to highlighter is to blend. Like, you don't want just this like straight line. I mean, unless you do, but I don't like a straight line, so I just make sure it's really blended so that it looks natural. And I put some on the bridge of my nose and on my Cupid's bow. That's what that's called, right? Next, we have to use mascara. So I use the Great Lash by Maybelline New York. I use the curved wand in the color Very Black. This is probably one of my favorite drugstore mascaras. You know me. Well, you might not know me, but I'm a college student and I just don't really feel the need or desire to do makeup enough to like spend a lot on it. So that's probably part of the reason why I keep it so simple. But I also, to be honest, like I don't like how I look with a lot of makeup. I feel like I look weird. And please tell me if you have this problem. When you apply your mascara, do you get it all over your eyelid? Because I do. Like, there's never a time where I can apply mascara and it doesn't get on my eyelid. So now I gotta put it on the bottom. I use one of two lip glosses and they are both by Beauty Counter. One color is Dahlia and the other is Rosewood. And one is more pinkish, the other is more of a neutral. I think for this sweater I'm feeling the neutral. But I really love these lip glosses. It has a nice little tint to it and the texture of it is so smooth and they smell good. Like, not like a strong scent, but it has like a nice subtle scent to it. Like this one smells almost chocolatey. Beauty Counter is the bomb. I will be doing a skincare routine or a review on their products. And I'll probably also do a skincare routine. I don't know. Let me know if you guys want a skincare routine. Comment below. The final look. So if you are a simple girl like me, you spend enough time on the hair, the clothes, the nails, that you just want to keep the makeup simple and natural looking. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and let me know what else you guys like to see from me. I'm always open to suggestions. And yeah, I think that's it. Anything else? No, that's all. I'm so not good at ending these videos, but bye.